Hello everyone, again welcome back to Class 6 Mathematics, chapter number 11, which is Algebra. And the topics we are going to discuss in this video is about pattern, that is Matchstick pattern, then variable, okay, then constant and expression, how to form an expression. So let's start from introduction of this chapter. So there are so many branches of mathematics. So the branch of mathematics that deals with study of number is called arithmetic. Okay, that deals with study of number is called arithmetic. Second, the branch of mathematics that deals with study of shape, or we can say that as measurement, is known as geometry. Third one, the branch of mathematics that deals with the study of to use of letter and symbols at a time, that branch is known as algebra. Okay, so here we will discuss about the algebra. Algebra is a part of mathematics in which the letter and symbols are used to represent the number in equations. Okay, so it helps us to study about the unknown quantity. Suppose you have given some unknown quantity, we can find that value by using algebra. So here are some pattern, that is Matchstick pattern. Okay, and there we'll use the variable and constant. Look at this one. It is square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Okay, so how it is forming, here we will discuss the pattern for this one. Number of matchstick used in first square. Okay, number of matchstick used in first square is, if we count the number of matchstick, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is number of matchstick used in first square is 4. Number of matchstick used in second square. Okay, here it is 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, next in third square it is, first here it is 4. Okay, then 3, 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, number of matchstick used in third square is 10. Okay, we can make a formula for this by using the number and some variable. So the pattern for this is, okay, here it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is 3 and plus 1. For second one it is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1. Okay, so in this way you can make a 4, we can write this one as 3 plus 1. Next 7 we can write this one as 6 plus 1. 10 we can write this one as 9 plus 1. Okay, so it is 3n plus 1. So pattern for this one is 3n plus 1. Okay, so here two terms are using. Okay, one is variable and constant, we'll discuss later. So with this pattern we can easily find the number of matchstick required for any number of square. Okay, here n is the number of square. Okay, if we put the number of square, then we will get the number of matchstick used in that square. Next, move to a question. Here is an example. How many matchsticks will be used in the 50th figure? Okay, 50th figure. So here we have given the value of n, so we can find the number of matchstick used in 50th figure of the square. So the pattern for that one is 3n plus 1, and we have given n equal to 50. Okay, put the value of n as 50. So 3 multiplied by 50 plus 1. 3 50 is 150 plus 1, it is 151. So number of matchstick used for making 50th square figure, that is 151 matchstick. Clear? Next, move to variable. As I have already told in the previous slide about the variable and constant. So what is variable? Variable refers to the unknown quantity that can change or vary and represent by using lowercase. Okay, lowercase letter of the English alphabet. Okay, that is all A to Z small case. Okay, small letter. So we can use small a, small b, small c up to small z. Okay, there are 26 alphabet in English, so we can use the lowercase of that one, okay, to represent the variable. So one such example of the same is a rule that is used in matchstick pattern, that is 3n plus 1. We have used earlier. So here we are using a small letter, that is n. and that n is known as variable. Why? Because it is vary each time. We can put in place of n, we can put 1, we can put 2, we can put any number. Okay, so it's changing is an every time, so we can say that one as variable, as it is varying every time, so it is known as variable. Vary means change. So here n is unknown quantity and it can vary from time to time. As our requirement, we can put the value of n, okay, to get the number of required matrix or whatever may be. Next, move to constant. Okay, as variable means it vary or change, constant means fixed quantity. Okay, constant is the fixed quantity which has fixed value. So here is an example. It is 2x plus 5. Okay, here x is the variable and here it is we are adding 5 matchstick, okay, every time, so it is not changing, so we can say this one as constant. Okay, 5 is not changing and x is changing, so here x is variable and 5 is constant. And in previous one it is 3n plus 1, here 1 is the constant. Okay, in previous example it is 1 is the constant, and in this example here it is 5 is the constant. And all constants are number. Okay, all number are represented with as constant. Same as we are representing the variable small letter, okay, that as variable, so we can say this one as all number are constant. Okay, next move to some more example about the variable, some more things. We can use any letter, as we have already discussed, any small letter as variable, but only lower case. Okay, number cannot be used for variable as they have a fixed value. Okay, we can't write in place of 2 as 3. Okay, 2 is not equal to 3. Okay, so we can't represent any number as the variable. We have to use the lowercase English alphabet as the variable. One more point is they can help in solving the other problem also. Okay, we can make the pattern for anything, and after that we can find the value for that one. Now come to formation of algebraic expression. Okay, or you can simply say this one as expression. Combination of variable, constant and operation constitute an algebraic expression. Okay, combination of constant, variable and operator, that is there are 4 operator, or we can say that one as operation, plus, minus, into, that is multiplication, and last one is division. Okay, there are 4 operations are used: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have to use these 4 operations and constant and variable to form an algebraic expression. Okay, so here are some example, that is 2x plus 3. Here 2 multiplied by x. Okay, and in which we are adding means we are using the operator plus 3, that is constant. Okay, so it is an expression. Move to second one. It is 3y. Okay, 3 multiplied by y, constant multiplied by variable, plus 4xy. Okay, here there are 2 more variable. Okay, x and y are the different variable, so it is also an expression. Done. Next one. Here are some example. Manu has 2 eraser more than Tanu. Okay, there are 2 friends, Manu and Tanu. So Manu has 2 eraser more than Tanu. So we have to form an expression by using this statement. Okay, we have to take the value of anyone, that is Manu or Tanu, as x or y, and we have to represent the expression for that one. Okay, so first solution, suppose eraser that Tanu have represented by using the variable x. Suppose I am representing the variable x for the Tanu's eraser. Okay, so how the expression is forming? Then the eraser of Manu means Manu has 2 more eraser than Tanu, that is eraser of Tanu plus 2. Here we are taking Tanu eraser as x, so it is represented with the help of variable and constant is x plus 2. Okay, it is x plus 2. Next one, come to solution 2. Eraser of Manu can be represented with the help of variable y. Suppose I am taking the variable of Manu as y. Okay, then what to do? We have to represent this expression by using Tanu's eraser. So eraser of Tanu has eraser of Manu minus 2. Okay, it has two more eraser. Manu has two more eraser than Tanu, so we can represent this one as Manu eraser minus 2 is equal to Tanu eraser. Okay, so I have taken Manu eraser as y, so the expression is y minus 2. Okay, in this way you can represent any statement or anything by using this expression. That's all. Thank you.